I would like for you to come on a journey with me.
Sisters, I have an announcement. Sister wants to take the shahada. Ashhadu
Ashhadu
an
an la ilaha illallah.
The important thing is that you cover and wear proper hijab, pray and don't eat pork anymore. Everything else will come later.
Mum, Dad, I've got something to tell you. I've become a Muslim.
Oh, so you're a terrorist now? Not in our home. You better leave this evil religion or there's no coming back here. Get out. Go and ask your Muslims to help you.
Sister, please. I just need to stay with you just for a little while.
Mashallah, I can't believe you've been Muslim for 2 months and you're not married yet. There's this brother who's looking to get married. You can't stay on your own, you need to get married.
Yeah, I know, but I'm not ready yet.
With that, I congratulate the groom on the marriage.
You're going to become a father.
Alhamdulillah, great news.
What are you doing?
You want the angels to curse you?
Why are you chatting to sisters online?
I don't do anything! Why are you with me? You treat me like this!
Just shut up.
Why? What am I ever done?
Shut your mouth and don't question me.
Oh, mashallah. Congratulations to you both.
No!
How dare you question me? You're divorced.
Mom, I need your help. I've got nowhere to go.
So you're still following this nonsense? You've been beaten black and blue, divorced, and you still believe in your Allah.
Allahu Akbar.
You need to leave.
Please, can I stay at yours? Or please, just lend me some money. I'll pay you back, inshallah.
Sorry, sister, we need the space for Dawood. And he's 4 now. Inshallah, you'll find something. Maybe ask the masjid.
Remember when we used to be at school? We used to look out for each other.
Why would Allah do this to me? I left everything for Islam. And what do I have? No husband. My parents don't want to know me unless I leave Islam.
Don't worry, you'll be alright.
He beat me up. And I had nowhere to go. Not one person was there to help me.
It's because he left Jesus.
I'm just tired and just so confused. I just can't do this anymore.
It's okay, you'll figure it out.
To be honest, I don't even know if I believed in Islam in the first place. Just look at the mess I'm in. Just don't know if I want to be Muslim anymore.
Look, just come back to Jesus. Jesus is always there. Why don't we meet up?
I'm just really, really tired. I just can't do it anymore. I've lost everything. No one has helped me.
Sister, please don't worry. Now that you've contacted Solace, we promise to do our best to help you.
أمة الإسلام بشرى إننا نلمح فجرا في شباب قد أشادوا صحوة للدين كبرى.